Every AI chatbot starts with these 5 lines of code. Most people think AI chatbot needs 100 lines of code, but this one just take 5. Let's first see how it is working, right? So what is happening? It is asking, this is an AI chatbot, right? It is asking me to ask any question. I will ask what is AI. So see, it has given us response. So firstly, what is happening in this code? We are importing OS, that is operating system, and it is inbuilt in Python. And we are importing key from my key file we have created, and from where we can get that. Search Google API key and click on Google AI Studio. Here click on create API key. From here you can create the API key directly. From that you can use key and add here. Now from langchain-google-genai import chat-google-generative AI. What is this? So the langchain-google-genai, it is a package. We have to install it. I will add all the command what we have to install here. Now what is happening? We are importing chat-google-generative AI from this package, and this is a class in this package or module. Now here what we are doing in this line of code? We are setting the environment variable with the key that we have just created. And now what is happening? From chat Google Generative AI, we are creating an object, and we are mentioning what model we are using here. It is Gemini Flash latest. Now on this line we are asking for user input, and using that user input we are using an invoke method that is in the LLM object that we have just created. So we are passing user question or user input here. Now what will happen in this line? So what this invoke is doing, this is taking user input and sending it to Gemini API. Now Gemini API is sending the question, the user input, to Gemini model. Now Gemini model respond to Gemini API. The Gemini API return the response, and invoke give the response back to the code. Now in the result we will have response here, and we are simply printing the response that we are getting. Why we are using text.text? Because in the response it is a complete API response, so we have to extract that whatever the response we are getting from Gemini model. But there is one issue. What is that issue? Once we are starting the chat, it is getting end. So as we are starting the conversation, like what I'm asking you, something like that. So what is happening? After responding, it is getting end. I have to start it again, but it is not asking me any, it is not letting me ask any follow-up question. I have to again start it, and then it will again ask. So there is this issue. We will fix this in next episode. Follow for next episode so you don't miss it, and share with your friends. Thank you.